Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed conditional event, conditional probability, multiplication theorem, statement and some formulas. So in that concept we are completed 70 up to 72 problems. Now see the 73 question. The students, the results of students of a college revealed the following facts. 25% of the students failed in mathematics. 15% of the students failed in chemistry. 10% of the students failed in both. Okay. If a student is selected at random, the probability that he has failed in mathematics, given that he failed in chemistry, the probability that he has failed in mathematics given that he failed in chemistry. He's already know that he failed in chemistry, but what is the probability that he has failed in mathematics we need to find. So here all the conditions observe that they are given only failed related, they ain't given pass related. Okay, right. Now P of M. M means mathematics. That is, M means mathematics fail. How much percentage students? 25%. That is 25 by 100. Probability of fail in chemistry, 15%. That is 15 by 100. Probability of failed in both the subjects. That means M intersection C. How much percentage? 10%, 10 by 100. But what we need to find? Probability of M by C. M by C. C already know that failed in chemistry. Then what is the probability of failed in mathematics? Use conditional probability definition. P of M intersection C by P of C. This is the formula. M intersection C means 10 by 100. P of C means 15 by 100. 100 cancel. 10 by 15, that is 2 by 5. This is a required probability. 2 by 5 or 2 by 3? 2 by 3. 5 3s are 15. So second option correct. Suppose E and F are two events of a random experiment. The probability of occurrence of E, that means P of E given how much? 1 by 5. And the probability of occurrence of F given E, that means P of F by E, that's equal to how much? 1 by 10. The probability of non-occurrence of at least one of the events E and F. E means occurrence. E complement means non-occurrence. F is occurrence. F complement means non-occurrence. Here see that the probability of non-occurrence at least one of the events. At least means what we get the condition union. So P of E complement union F complement. This value we need. So this is how to write, students. E complement union F complement means E intersection F whole complement. This is 1 minus P of E intersection F. But E intersection F not given. By observing these formulae we can find. P of F by E means P of E intersection F by P of E, that is equal to 1 by 10. Now P of E intersection F, that is equal to 1 by 10 into P of E. What is P of E value? 1 by 5. This is totally 1 by 50. Substitute here 1 minus 1 by 50. What is the answer, students? 49 by 50. That is third option correct. The probability of drawing two red balls in succession from a bag containing 4 red, 5 black. When the ball that is drawn first is not replaced. First is not replaced. That means without replacement. We want to draw that two red balls in succession. First one ball, next another ball. Okay. Now, how to write the event here? There are 4 red, 5 black balls. Now, required probability. So here, or otherwise you can take A is first ball red, first red. B is, this is second ball, second. This is also red only. Okay. Now P of A intersection B. How to write, students? P of A into P of B by A by using multiplication theorem. P of A with the event of selecting red ball. Total how many balls, students? There are 9 balls. Select one. Out of those, select red color ball. So one red color is completed out of 4 red color. Remove that. Remaining only 3 red colors. Here, not replaced, without replacement. Total 9 balls are there. One we are selected. Remaining how many balls are there? There are only 8. Out of 8, select one. The selected color is red only. Red, how many are there? Only 3. 3C1. Students, all of you understood now? Now this is 4 by 9 into 3 by 8. So students, calculate this. 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. Total answer 1 by 6. First option correct. A box contains 5 black, 4 white, 6 red. Total how many are there here? Total number of balls. 6 plus 4, 10, 15 balls are there. Here we want to draw only 2 balls without replacement. Remember it. The probability that first will be white, second will be black. First will be white, second will be black. So here take that A with the event, that is first draw. Which color? White. First white. Then B with the event, second draw. Which color ball? Black. Now P of A intersection B, that is equal to P of A into P of B by A. This is. Now students, here P of A, total how many balls are there? There are 15. Select one. The selected ball is what? White color. White, how many are there? 4. Out of 4 can be select one. So here without replacement given. Out of 15, draw one ball. there are only 14 because without replacement now. Out of 14 can be select one. The second draw should be which color? Black. Black, how many are there? 5. In second draw, there is no change in black color. Yes or no? In white color is going to change. See here, total white 4 are there. One already we are draw. In second draw, there is only 3 white color bars, but they didn't ask white color. They're asking black color. Okay. Now this is 4 by 15, 5 by 14. 5 threes are 15, 2 twos are 2 sevens are. Totally 2 by 21. This is the answer. Second option correct. See the level 2, question number 65. Those are conditional probability related problems. How to solve this? P of A given, P of B given, P of A intersection B given. We need to find P of A complement by B. Use conditional probability formula. A complement intersection B by P of B. A complement intersection B means, what is the formula? P of B minus P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Okay, split 1 minus P of A intersection B by P of A intersection B by P of B. P of A intersection B value 1 by 4 minus P of B 5 by 8. Here we get 1 minus 2 by 5. That is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Third option correct. For a biased die, the probability for different phases to turn up are given below, such that a die is tossed once and you are told that phase 1 or 2 has turned up. The probability that it is phase 1. It is phase 1. Students, how to do this? So first write that A be the event of phase 1. Phase 1. B be the event of phase 1. So I think this is 2. 2. Phase 2. Here already given phase 1 or 2. R means what? Phase 1 or 2. That means what? That is A union B. Okay. What is P of A union B? Here P of A plus P of B minus. See here, probability of A means phase 1. B means phase 2. There is no intersection part. Yes or no? There is no intersection part. That value is 0. So what is P of A? Phase turn up probability 0.10 plus P of B phase turn up, that is 2. What is the probability? 0.32. Overall this is 0.42. But what we need to find? P of A by P of A union B. This is. So apply the condition theorem. A intersection A union B divided by P of A union B. Numerator, observe that A intersection A union B means that is P of A only by P of A union B. What is P of A? 0.10. Phase turn up with 1. P of A union B means 0.42. Okay, students. Now calculate this. 10 by 42. 10 by 42. That means 2 5s are 221s are. 5 by 21 is the answer. The problem here, two dice are thrown. The probability of getting sum of 7 points. It is known that two dice are showing different numbers. Two dice are showing different numbers. Then how to do this? This is not easy problem. First, see here, sum 7. Sum 7. How many chances possible? See, those are 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, and 7 comma 1. Okay. Next, here we need to find probability of getting sum 7 divided by, it is known that two dice are showing different numbers. Shows different numbers. Different numbers. Now, see that by using conditional probability, what we can write? So here, sum 7 means, for suppose A, shows different number means B. P of A by B. What is the formula? P of A intersection B divided by P of B or not? See the sum 7, each and every event, different numbers are there. Different numbers. So that's why numerator is 6. Then what about denominator P of B? P of B, it shows a different number. Out of 6, select one number. This is first number. Next, remaining 5, select one. For suppose first die, he got 1. In second die, he don't want to get 1. Except 1. Except 1 means what are the chances? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? How many chances here? Only 5. In first place, there are 6 chances. I am selected 1. In second case, we can't select 1. That's why we are getting 5 cases. What is the answer, students? 1 by 5. Second option, correct. Students, here 7 comma 1 I am written. That is a mistake. This is 6 comma 1.